Hey guys, DJD here, and today I have another episode of Strike Force Heroes 2. And so what I've decided that we are going to do is we're going to take this, and this is a new save, completely new. See, save select, I'm in this one. So we're going to start the campaign from the beginning and let it happen. Unknown space station orbiting Earth. Great, let's do this. Oh yeah, I forgot, it has to...
If the backup power down, we can't use the main lift. You'll have to go outside the ship.
Okay. Thank you for telling me that. WASD or arrow keys to move. Space up or jump. W space jump again.
The generator's always messing up. Just give it a few whacks.
Okay.
Great, we're in business. Come meet me in the control room.
What's this? S or down to crouch. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. Just smack the outside of the ship. Smack it.
Welcome back, sir. Houston is just up to the right.
Why, thank you, sir. Not sure who I'm thanking, but thank you anyway. I like how everybody has their guns. That guy has his gun out, that guy has his gun out. I have my gun. It's on my back, though. Okay, special magical doors. Whoa, Jesus.
What was that?
Neil. I don't know.
We're being attacked!
No shit. How? Shift or Q. Okay, let's do this.
Gravity's malfunctioning? Who are these guys?
I don't know. Let's go find out. Ooh, we got baddies. We got baddies. Ooh. Oh, I forgot. I have. Oh, that's suicide. So yeah, I think I'm actually gonna change. I can't change classes right now, so just play with this for now. Wait, that actually gave them a kill, or did somebody actually die? I think that might have given them a kill. I can't tell. Got him. I wish I had better guns. Jump! Oh, there's two guys. What? Got him! Oh, open fire! Take out the bad guys! We got him! Come on, alright, here we go. Ooh, more ammo, yes, please. Go, go, go! Take him out. How many kills do I have to get?
Here? We're not trained for this.
Well, I am.
I have no idea, but we've got to stop them.
You don't scare me. I am so not used to that low of health. Because in case you haven't noticed it already, on my other profile I'm level 37. On this one I'm level 1, and I have like twice as much health on the other profile. Is it 15 or 10? I think it's 15. Level up! Alright, it's 15. Because the game would have been over already. Okay, so suicides don't count. I mean, I protected my team pretty good. They've only got 2 kills. Back for more. Let's go, Mick. No, my name's Mick. The other guy's Buzz. Alright. Oh, got him. Oh, we got incoming, Buzz. Look out. Fire. Alright, come on, Buzz. Get him. Get him. Get him. Get him. Get him. Oh no, Buzz. No! No, Buzz. Why you do this? Alright, final guy.
They just keep coming.
Got him! That voice crack though. Got him! There we go. Oh, I committed suicide once. I forgot that deducts your score. You've completed your first mission. Customize your soldiers' weapons, skills, and appearance in the soldiers menu. Let's go to the soldiers menu. Oh, tells me where it's at. Wonderful. Alright, let's see how far this is. Alright, soldiers and you. I really don't care. YouTube man. I guess we can call him that.
You are playing the lag.
Go ahead. Make my day. Go get some.
Oh yeah, Juggernaut's the guy that had the sniper rifle, so... What's this? Oh, he has no money. This guy has money. This is the gun I love to use, but... Oh, it's broken. Why is it broken? That doesn't do any good. Don't have enough for that. Alright, I'm gonna leave this video here. If you guys like this and you want to see more like it, I'll probably record second level after this. So if you like this and you want to see more content just like it, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Thank you, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.